On today's Desert Living, one of the top priorities for safety and the well-being of our families is being prepared for the unexpected, such as earthquakes, extreme weather, and power outages. Augason Farms is the company that founded the emergency preparedness industry over 50 years ago and continues to rank #1 in the emergency preparedness food category. And here to tell us more is the president of the company, Nathan Yearsley. Welcome, Nathan.
Thanks. Good to be here.
All right, good. For the holiday season upon us, how can we make emergency preparedness a gift idea?
It's one of those things that being prepared when difficult times happen, being prepared is the greatest gift you can give yourself or anybody else. And we provide food solutions, food opportunities that could be as small as a single meal, single pouch, or as large as 30 days in a custom pail. So there are so many different options that you have. You could curate it to anybody's palate, and at the same time you get the assurance, the certainty that when difficult times happen, which they always do, that you're ready.
Mm-hmm. Now, how can a family know how much emergency food they should keep on hand?
So that's the best part. If you go to AugasonFarms.com and you treat us like we're a grocery store, you say, I need, for this many people, I need breakfast, I need lunch, I need dinner. And we take those things into consideration. We tell you how many servings, we tell you how many calories, and you put it together just the way you would when you go to a grocery store. And it's as simple as I want pancakes sometimes, I want oatmeal sometimes for breakfast. We've got scrambled eggs. We've got whatever you want, but just treat it like it's the grocery store, make your list, and off you go.
Real quick, what about the shelf life of your products? How long will they stay good?
So we have shelf lives, excuse me, from 25 years down to, I guess the minimum we sell is a 5-year shelf life. So what that means is the number 10 cans, the large industrial number 10 cans, almost always have a 25 or 30-year shelf life. Some of the pouches last up to 20, but 5 to 20 years. So this gift that you give of security, food security during uncertain times, is one of these gifts that will give back for many, many years until you need it.
Mm-hmm. And how can our viewers bring home Augason Farms products?
So the easy way to go is to AugasonFarms.com, AUGASON Farms.com. And everything that we have, all 70-something different products, are all ready for you to buy there. And we have a promo code, New Year 15. We'll give you 15% off as we go into this gift-giving season and into our new year.
Well, that sounds great. Well, thank you, Nathan. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for what your company does to help us stay prepared.
Thank you for having me.
All right, and we'll be right back.